Hello everyone, this is my video installation of the DualLiner system in my brand new 2022 F150 with a 5.5 foot bed. The instructions were great. The installation videos that are on the DualLiner website are spot on, and it had a lot of useful hints in that video, and I would strongly recommend you reviewing them before you install this yourself. I did want to point out a couple of things that I had issues with on the driver's side panel. First of all, I had issues up here. I could not get this part to tuck underneath the bed cap. I found that some of the clips that are up here that hold the bed cap on was interfering with the panel. Once I got that corrected, then the panel was able to move up in place, and when I installed this hold down clamp, that held everything tight in place. The other thing I wanted to point out is mine has the onboard generator. Now, I did something that DualLiner does not recommend and is not included in their installation instructions. But what I did was I removed the panel, unplugged it, which has some difficulties to it, but and I put the DualLiner panel on first, and then I modified the mounting holes in the DualLiner to put the onboard generator cover over that. Again, DualLiner does not recommend or includes that in your installation instructions, but that's what I did, and it came out a very clean appearance. So again, overall happy with the product, and I hope you are too.